Hi everyone, this is Diego. On this video I'm going to talk to you about 5 simple steps to achieve financial prosperity, financial wealth. So stay with us, this video was prepared for you. The first step that I want to talk to you is related to personal responsibility. When we talk about money, about prosperity, about wealth creation, we need to understand that personal responsibility is really important to create the standard that you want, the mindset that you want. It's like to absorb everything that you have done and to construct, to build your new future, but based on the present, on now. It's really important when we understand that we are creators, we are divine creatures creating what we want. And when we understand that the personal responsibility that we have because of our emotions, because of our thoughts, because of our actions, they comprehend really directly where we want to go, all right? Personal responsibility is related to what we delegate to the others or we procrastinate to the others or to the right time, the right place, the right money, because you have those arguments that you use most of the time. I don't have money, I don't have time, it's not the right moment, I'm not good today. So most of the time you're postponing your future, your success, your career, the way you want to achieve what you want. So personal responsibility is the first step. The second one is systemic vision. It's related to the wider range that we need to see things. It's more like we understand like micro and micro, okay? Macro and micro. When we have a macro vision, we see everything. It's like a 360 degrees of the eyes. It's a vision. So we see everything. We see the past, the present, the future. But when we have a micro vision, we just understand that simple thought, that simple action, that simple thing that is happening right now. So based on that, we need to understand that we need to have this systemic vision. And this systemic vision is based on whatever you did in the past, whatever you want to achieve in the future. They are connected, all right? So everything that you had in the past, for example, the limiting beliefs that you absorbed from your parents, for instance, they are related to them, not to you. And we have some videos here in the channel that you might reach, so you just need to, here in the card, I think we're going to share with you, or also you can see in the description of the video about limiting beliefs, about the past things that happened in your life, about the mental blockage that we have, mental blocks. So when we have this systemic vision, we can see that most of the time we are not thinking that way. We are just living our lives the way we want, or the way we believe that we want, living the lives of the others, spending money to praise everybody, but not buying things that fulfill our destiny, fulfill our heart, fulfill our souls, okay? It's really important when we have this systemic vision to see things differently, okay? So here in the square, right, a lot of people are just paying attention of what I'm talking about. So it's just like this, do something really crazy or do something that you didn't do in the past. It's like to be a warrior from your fears, to be a warrior of your dreams. It's really important because when you go forward, when we risk yourself doing things that you didn't do in the past, you increase your wider range of your eyes, of your vision. And when we have that skill developing inside of us, we see that we can go further and further, or we go forward and forward inside of our dreams. And we understand, we recognize that we are not just what we see in the mirror. We are more than that. We discover ourselves. It's really hard sometimes when people ask you, for example, who you are, who are you? And most of the time we tend to answer something that we believe that we are. But when we increase, when we develop this wider range, this systemic vision, we cannot say that 100% sure, because we are in development, we are evolving ourselves. So this is the second one that I would like to share with you. The third one is related to learn to receive, and to receive is like a nightmare to some people. And this, I'm going to explain this really fast. When we give, okay, you see a lot of music about songs saying give, or self-help books. You need to give. You need to give more, you need to do more, you need to act more, anyway, right? Blah, blah, blah. And when we go into to say about receive, we are not learning how to receive. And there are a lot of people and a lot of clients of our academy that they do not know how to receive it. It's like they have a block about thank you. They do not want to use that word anymore because of the past, because they do not trust people. I don't know about your situation nowadays, but I know that a lot of people, they have problems with the thank you verb, thank you noun, okay, the thank you praise, the thank you words. And when we have that problem with these words, it's like the law of the universe. It's like the ancient laws of the Egypt that we call the Hermetists laws. And there's a great book known as Kybalion that was written by the three initiates that they call about some principles, philosophical principles, and one of them is related to the rhythm, to the motion, to the movement. And when we just give and do not receive, we do not want to receive, we have problems. We have some things that we do not want to attract to our lives, and this is demanding a lot of us in terms of what do you want to receive. The universe does not know, or you're not creating this motion inside of you. And when we do not know what we want to receive, it's like a confusion. So there are a lot of people that do not pay attention or invest time on this structure, and they have problems to receive most of the time or in their lives. And when they do not receive, they are not getting the financial prosperity, the financial wealth they want. So pay attention on this process, on this step. This is a simple step. I'm not saying that this is complex, but most of the time you're postponing this thank you to which time, all right? You are not doing that. And I'm not telling that you are wrong not saying thank you. It's not about right or wrong, okay? It's related more to your evolution, to what you want to accomplish. And if you want to accomplish more financial wealth, I would say do that today. The fourth step is related to gratitude. So when we say about gratitude, you will see today about journals of gratitude. So you have morning time, morning lessons that you can do in the morning of gratitude, praising to something good that might happen today, or you are going to do a lot of things that might help you with this day, with your work, with your interview, with whatever you want to do today, okay? So gratitude is one great power that you might have to increase your financial wealth, all right? It's like the sun on my face. For example, we have this sun. The sun does not recognize who is right, who is wrong. It just shines, all right? And most of the time we are creating blocks inside of our financial wealth that do not create this motion, this light inside of us. And my advice to you, right, related to the gratitude, the power of gratitude, try to praise everything, try to thank everything, even the hard things that you do not want to recognize as good things. I'm going to talk more in the next step, but one great thing that gratitude teaches us is related to that we have our lives, we have our career, we have our moments, we have our attitude, we have our friends, we have our family. And when we recognize that they are part of whom we are, we understand that we can do more than we are doing right now. And when we are doing that, when we are doing that work, it's like a systemic, like I said in the first part, in the second part, we understand that we can go forward. We understand that we are just minimizing what we want to recognize about ourselves. And we are living past lives, future lives, and we are not living this time, right now. You're seeing right now, you're watching me right now, you're listening to me right now. So we are here. And when we have this power of gratitude, we are recognizing right now. Recognize the sun I got right behind me right now. Okay? It's really important. It warms us. Okay? The sun warms us at the same time as the power of gratitude can warm you when you are not so good, when you're tired, when you're sad about something that happened today or even tomorrow or even yesterday. It's really important that you develop this. It's like something that, like a machine that you need to have maintenance. You're doing that maintenance day by day. I'm not saying that you're a machine, okay? I'm not saying you're AI, okay? I'm just telling you that you develop a consistency that you need to achieve, and everything in life is related to consistency, related to your results, your business results, related to your career, to learn a new language, to discover a new thing about you. It's really important to discover that part about the power of gratitude. The fifth step is related to do not associate the money, okay, the word money with negative feelings. And most of people, they are doing that. They have this tendency to remember what happened in the past. For instance, you have limiting beliefs. Everybody has, okay? It's normal, it's common. They are in our subconscious mind, and it's okay. I'm not saying they're bad or they are good. Like I said, there is motion in the universe. Everything comes to a greater reason. And when we understand that, for example, you could have listened in your past that the money is evil, money is not good for you, money does not raise in the trees, money is from the devil, money is hard, you need to work hard to have money. Those are simple phrases, sentences that you might have in your subconscious mind. A lot of clients worldwide, they have. But what I'm telling you, recognize that this is just sentences that you might resignify in your subconscious mind as well. You have that power as well. And like those phrases, money is good, money can bring me happiness. Yes, money can bring you happiness. Money can buy health if you want a health plan for your parents, for instance. Money can buy, for example, a party that you want to go with your sister, with your brother-in-law, for instance. Okay, you can buy a house, you can buy an apartment with money, all right? You can invest in your business, you can leverage your entrepreneurship, okay? Money is not bad. This was created by a lot of people worldwide just to understand and to make you really far from your money. And when we are far from our money, we don't have a relationship with our money. And this relationship is like a husband and wife, yes? If you're not good with your husband or with your wife, what happened? What happened? You know what I mean. And this is related to this negative feelings. So my advice to you is to create this standard process. Like I said, consistency. To not deny that you do not have a problem. Yes, you have a problem with money. You have a problem with financial wealth. And one of the important thing that you need to leverage right now is this relationship, is the positive feeling that money might bring to you. So this is my advice to you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends, with your family. It's really important to us to increase the channel and also to have you here with us because we are creating more content to help you with your life, with your career, with your business as well. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, you just need to push the button, the red button, subscribe, and also to ring the bell button to receive our newest notifications and also the newest videos that we have here in the channel, okay? It was a great time to have you here. Light and prosperity. I wish you a great day. Bye. Take care.